Box Destroyers, what's going on? Hey, if it's your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about not just thinking outside the box, but completely destroying the box. I think life and business is one giant adventure, and I just want to live that with you guys. So, think about subscribing to the channel, because if you do, I'll be like... Alright, cool. So let's get to the purpose of this video. What we're going to talk about is a challenge. I'm challenging myself to flip 25 items. Really what I want to do is just get experience. I've kind of seen, I learned it from, it's kind of funny, I got enticed by Gary V. I was thinking like, man, this guy is, you know, basically a successful business dude, but he loves the thrill of the hunt of flipping stuff. So I just want to see if it's fun. I've done it some, you know, I've bought and sold a number of things on eBay over time and locally on Facebook Marketplace. But so I'm creating a challenge where I'm going to flip 25 items and I'm going to track them for you. So I'll make a few different videos. So this will be the first video of a series. Maybe I'll make one in the middle and then one at the end, or maybe I'll just wait until the end. Just kind of depends on how long it takes. I'm not in a, I don't have a set time period. I'm just kind of on the learning route, right? So yesterday I went to Goodwill. To check out my Goodwill. Really funny, so I found this Yeti cup. I was like, sweet, looked it up on eBay. I could sell it for 20 bucks. I was like, awesome, I'll buy this for a couple of bucks, sell it for 20. And I look on the bottom, and the sticker price is $14.91. And I asked the lady, I was like, is this the price? It's just written on there in markers. She's like, ooh, yeah. She's like, that's kind of high. I was like, yeah, it's kind of high. Anyway, so I ended up not buying anything from Goodwill. I guess my local Goodwill, they think very highly of their prices. I don't know who's going to pay 15 bucks for a Yeti tumbler at Goodwill, but maybe I'm wrong, right? So also looking on Facebook Marketplace. Also use apps like Garage Sale and Let Go. I've made offers on some stuff. On Facebook Marketplace, I did purchase a set of like T-ball baseball stuff. So I bought like 4 bats, 2 gloves, a bag, and a couple of helmets for like 25 bucks. I think I can sell that stuff for probably 75 if I had to guess. Is kind of what I guesstimated. So we'll see. I may wait and hold on to it until like the next baseball season comes around, so they're like in higher demand. Or maybe I'll try to go ahead and just list them a little bit higher prices, individual bats or something, just kind of see what happens. So this includes, you can sell stuff in your house. I'm including for me that if I find stuff in my house that maybe I would give away, but it has value, I'll sell it on Facebook Marketplace or whatever. So maybe that's a cheat, maybe it's not, because I'm not buying stuff. And then the other would be Craigslist. So check that out. And then also lastly, I am interested to go check out yard sales, like to see what's there. Yeah, and really check that out. So I randomly stopped at one after I'd watched Gary V video and got all excited about, I think they call theirs trash talk. He goes out and gets stuff from like yard sales and stuff. So I was like, okay, yeah, whatever, I'll pull up. And I remembered seeing on some video of where I was checking out some YouTube guys where like rubber stamps did really well. I don't know why. I just recalled that. And so I ended up buying this big giant bundle of rubber stamps. I was kind of looking at them, and they were ready to wrap up, and lady's like, yeah, make me an offer. I'm like, I don't know. Like, what do you think? She's like, yeah, you have to buy it all. She said 15 bucks. I was like, I don't know. I'll give you 10. And she was like, okay. And so it's probably, if I had to guess, it's probably $60 or $70 worth of stamps. So I have those listed on eBay right now. On Buy It Now, I have a few different auctions. Actually, I sold out of that was a leather stamping thing. I'd already sold that for like $7, and so that's, you know, basically recouped most of my costs in buying the product. And then I have a couple of other auctions for 50 and 50 for a big lot, and then I have another lot that'll come up in the future. So I think somewhere between 70 to 80 bucks for all that stuff. But I will be finalizing that information. I'll share it all with you. I'll put it all on a spreadsheet, so I'll track all 25, like where the items came from, what I flipped them for, what the profit was, how much time it took, in order to see if it makes sense. So take a second, really help me out. If you're liking the video so far, nail the like button, because it really helps out the video, and it helps other people to be able to see this video if you're getting some value out of it and enjoying kind of sharing this with me. Also, comment below if you are interested in flipping stuff, or if you have maybe already done it. I'd like to hear maybe like what you flipped, what your best flip was. the types of stuff maybe that you look for in your marketplace, like what your avenues are for buying and selling product. And I'd really like to hear from that. So yes, I'm really excited to keep you guys in the loop of this challenge, me doing these 25 items, and we'll see how we go. I'm going to track it all. It's just as important for me to track it, so it's good. It kind of keeps me accountable to track it and show you guys, and I'll do screen shares later as we're going through. So if you'd like more information, check out these videos. I have some other ways of making money online. I have like an 8-part video series you can watch, and you can go through these and watch them. And one of them is actually flipping items. Like one of the 50 ways to make money is flipping items like this. So I'm just talking more in detail on this video. But look forward to connecting with you guys soon. Take care.